Hey everyone, Sylvia here and welcome to my Wholesome Visual Blowout review. Well, so this is the sales page. We'll go through it. I'll show you what they say, claim and all of that here on the sales page. And I'll attach the link to this sales page below my review, then go check it out. Okay, if you want to make an educated decision. Go through the sales page properly, please, before you make the purchase. Now, I'm gonna show you the members area. I have the access to it. Okay, then we'll also go through the funnel, just 2 upsells, not many. We'll check out the vendor's profile. I can actually do it now, but it's by Nelson Long. It's not JVZoo, Warrior Plus launch, and Warrior Plus is very known for scammy products. Okay, I'm not gonna hide that. I always expose it and I say it up front out there. And you know, there's plenty of products I actually tell you not to buy from Warrior Plus. However, every now and again there are diamonds. Okay. And, you know, when I happen to find a good quality vendor on Warrior Plus like Nelson Long, I'm super happy and the angels rejoice. Rejoice? Okay, because it's good stuff. Anyhow, so he's got a good score, strong 4 stars, 4.2. Okay, good stuff. Okay, and I know the support is a very, very good vendor. And, you know, he creates quality products. That's all I can say. And then also for my buyers, I've got some epic bonuses, some free courses, amazing, totally amazing. The courses that actually kickstarted my affiliate marketing journey, okay? On email marketing, traffic generation, and affiliate marketing, of course. You can also schedule a call with me. If you happen to pick up any of the upsells, we can discuss affiliate marketing, the courses. And I have some extra freebies here as well, okay? Very, very good quality PLR products to do with affiliate marketing mainly. Now, so you can access the bonuses directly from your Warrior Plus account if you go to purchase history and then you go to affiliate bonuses. Now, back to the product. So what you are actually getting here is like digital assets, so to speak. So visuals, visuals and videos to do with, I would say, the #1 niche in the world. And what is it? Health. Health and fitness. Why is it #1? Not only in my opinion, I think like generally speaking. Why? Because health is #1. No health, no nothing, right? If you lose your health, what do you need the money for? So that's why people care about health, or at least they should, big time. And it's very, very often, very often they don't appreciate it. They bloody take it for granted until trouble comes. And then they realize, oops, okay, prevention is better than cure. Anyhow, I could talk about health. That's for my another channel for hours and hours, okay? But now back to this product. So you're getting this, these digital assets again that, in health niche, which is very, very much popular, will always be, has always been, is, and will always be guaranteed, okay? For an obvious reason I have just mentioned. So, yeah, they say here, grab your hands on the topmost authentic and high quality product, Wholesome Visual Blowout, the ultimate collection of fitness and health visuals. Okay, with unrestricted PLR, so private label rights to use, resell, and earn profit well. So not only are you getting them, so you can use it for your own projects, but also your clients' projects, so as a freelancer, and also you can resell them, you can rebrand them, okay, and all of that. So, and obviously sell for whatever you want, okay, it's gonna be your product. So yeah, they just say like, do you know what? Do you know that unless you have been living under a rock, you will know that one of the most profitable evergreen niches for digital marketers is the health and fitness niche. Okay, so yeah, that's why you will be well off if you get these visuals, so you can use them for all sorts of projects and for yourself and all of the clients. So they say more on the sales page. I'm not gonna bore you just reading out what you can read for yourself from the sales page. The link to it will be below my review. I just want to show you the examples of the, you can watch, the kind of videos you will have. For example, you see this lady here doing yoga, some like cool visuals, and in all sorts of, like, for example, like active lifestyle that keeps you going, and then activities that burn fat. Okay, again, all very popular, in demand, and always wanted. Always adrenaline induced sports. Okay, somebody who's up for some extreme sports, bodybuilding for athletics. Calm your mind by consuming these. Yes. Okay, we are what we eat, or as I always say, we are what we absorb. Big difference. Okay, you can eat the most healthy diet in the world, but if your body doesn't actually absorb it, it goes to waste. That's why cleansing is so important, so your intestines will be actually able to absorb the food that you eat. Okay, but that's for another channel. Now, they also say cancer-fighting foods. Okay, so visuals in cancer-fighting foods, the superfoods and all of that. I mean, the food is so important in preventing cancer. It's like 10%. Sometimes people like put too much emphasis on food. Sometimes people tend to food that in order to like heal cancer, reverse cancer, it's all reversible, right? No such a thing as irreversible diseases, by the way. You did it for yourself, you can undo it. Yeah, we do it to ourselves. Diseases don't fall from the sky. We give them to ourselves, by the way. We eat, think, live, handle stress and all of that. So it's very simple. It's very simple, but not often easy, because, it requires changing your lifelong habits, and people would often rather sadly die, but change the habits. And that's very sad to me. I cannot grasp my head around it, but hey, it is what it is. So yeah, prevention, very important, and people, I think, are waking up more and more to it. Okay, realizing it, that it's all in our hands. Our health is in our hands. It's as simple as that. Anyhow, you have visuals in cardio activity that increases your stamina. Cardio is very good for your heart, very good for your lungs, right? I love cycling, by the way. And then diet that gives you fiber. Again, fiber is super important. Okay, I could talk about fiber for hours as well. Next one, eat this to reduce your blood pressure. Exactly. And exercises that make you fit. The CrossFit is very, very good as well. Yeah. So you have them in all of these niches, and they just give you some suggestions as how you can use these visuals, so you can use them for your projects. You can create video slides from the wellness videos and images. You can create health and fitness slideshow. You can repackage and resell the bundle. Wellness is a hot niche, they say. Obviously it is. This will sell like hotcakes. Yeah, totally. For me, it will sell like papaya, because I love papayas, and I sell I eat them almost daily. Very, very good for your skin. Papaya is just amazing. Papayas. Anyhow, start health, and you can start health and fitness newsletter and use those visuals in your newsletters. Obviously, you can create a unique images, videos, membership that focus on wellness. You can use them as a reel to get traffic in social media, and that's the thing these days. Very trendy, right? And you can create viral contents using these wellness media and so much more. Okay, now let's check the price. The product is going live tomorrow, soon. So as I'm shooting this video, I'm shooting kind of early. I'll probably upload it tomorrow. So on the 25th of, March. And now check the PLR, right? What you cannot do. There are a few things you cannot do with these PLRs, like, you know, sell them on platforms like Warrior Plus, JVZoo, or ClickBank. Okay, so do get like familiarize yourself with the T's and C's, so sort of like terms and conditions of this, you know, PLR license. And then as for the money back guarantee, it's satisfaction, 30 days satisfaction money back guarantee. So it's not like no question money back guarantee. It's satisfaction just because of the nature of this product, because it's like you download them, okay, and the PLR, you're not gonna get the refund, okay, just because you've changed your mind. No, you will only get a refund if there is something wrong with the products. So make up your mind, okay, make sure you really want them before you buy them. Now quickly let me show you the members area. So that's gonna be like, you know, you're gonna be welcomed, and then you go click here to start, and then you will be taken to the product, which will look like this, okay. So you have the members pages here, and then you click here to download the visuals, and from here you will download the videos, and again you will have the terms and conditions of the PLR license that you are getting with this product. And then, okay, let me just show you what it's gonna look like. So you can download them all, or you can download them from here individually, okay, and you have them in all of the kind of like cool niches to do with health and fitness, and the same goes to the videos. You have them, yeah, like that. Again, download them all or individually by clicking on these three dots here, and then click download, obviously. And you know, some of them you will have to unzip. Which ones? Sometimes, like some of them, he just says that you may unzip, and you use the 7-zip, okay, to extract the archives. Okay, and then let's check out the funnel. So just 2 upsells, maybe. Yeah, just 2 upsells. So the front end, anything is gonna be from 17 to 29. Okay, there will be like a downsell to this front end as well, I presume. Now then the pro, the next one, upsell number 1 really, is the, okay, let me just actually, sorry guys, let me just go to, actually I want to go to Warrior Plus and just check the upsells from there, because they were better. I thought that, you know, there was like more information on the product. Okay, let me just go here from the JV page. Where is the link here? Okay, so here we are. Okay, let's see the upsells. So right. Okay, there will be upsell number 1 will be actually 47, and there's gonna be a downsell of 37, so the light version. So you will get less products, I guess, fewer, something like that. I don't know if I'm being grammatically correct. Never mind. Now, upsell number 2 is the big mouth. Big mouth, big product store monthly ultimate. Okay, so for this one you'll be paying monthly $19.90. Okay, so $20 really, or you can get the one-time ultimate. So one-time payment for $147. Let me see if I have more info. No, I don't have more info, but you know, I would say this: once you buy the front end, you then will be taken to the sales pages of the upsells before you can actually access the front end product. Okay, so buy the front end and then check out what upsells you want. So take what you want, leave what you don't want. Straightforward advice, huh? Okay guys, love you and leave you, and I shall see you in my next review. Remember, you're getting some epic bonuses if you pick it up via the link below my review. Okay, love you and leave you, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye bye.